Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Microsoft Ads, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Microsoft Ads. Press the Enter key to access the Microsoft Ads homepage. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. You will be directed to a new page requesting your email address. Enter the email address associated with your Microsoft Ads account. After entering your email, click the Next button. On the next screen, you will be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password carefully, ensuring there are no typos. Once you've entered your password, click the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to the Microsoft Ads dashboard. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. You will find various features and tools available for managing your campaigns. If you have any trouble logging in, you can click on the Forgot Password link. This will guide you through the steps to reset your password. Now you are ready to navigate and utilize Microsoft Ads for your advertising needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.